other way. Third competition. 1069 winners though. You need to know. What is the name for the actress who is Harley Quinn? She's a very pretty lady. Best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go again. Here we go again. Alrighty, so that's gonna be 3 for 13. 100 actual 3, no that's yeah. Nikki, oh you. Number 60 red. Even though number first going to this section, we're playing. Hey, well Nikki, see you in the church, yeah? See you there. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, another game is on our hands. Place your bets and play again. Or don't, whatever you want to do. Whatever floats your boat. If gambling is what you want, then gambling is what we're gonna do. Margot Robbie. Alright, 5, 40, 23, 27, and 29 as well. 200x 23. 33. Third column, third is a black number. Higher number. 1,403 successful champions of the game. 37. How many of you people go to gym? How many people working out here? What's your favorite workout, man? What's your favorite exercise? Norvats. Alright, so 2 lucky numbers. 3, 32, 200x and 3. Well, the number is 23. A red high and second top. 1,300. Ice water. Sure. I mean, there's a lot of people going for a swim in the lakes and rivers these days. I mean, even my mom is going for a swim. It's middle of the winter, it's like minus outside and she goes for a swim. I don't understand. You know, there are people who are cutting a hole in a frozen lake to jump in and go for a swim. There are people who have bath outside of their own house and they just go for a swim. They're 0 and 2, but with the 50. 21 right. Third column, second dozen. High score. Congrats to the winners. Yeah, 1,132. The swimming in the winter, yeah, I don't understand it. I don't understand. I'm like fully clothed and I'm still cold. But I think it's a mental thing, right? It's the mental thing. You can, I guess, we can program our own brain somehow. I guess it's possible. 532 under that spot. Ten black. This section, first one, first dozen. Enjoy. Alright, 1,177 minutes. Oh man, that guy's back again. Get out of here, man. Oh, that's fast. He got out of here fast. But yeah, no, for sure we can program our own brains in whatever way, right? Other people can do that, so wait. But yeah, interesting. Maybe I should try. I mean, I wanted to try this year, but you know what? It's not that easy. Not that easy. 4, 30, that's 35, 200x 13. Good luck. And 35. Well, that is at the end of the tunnel. Odd and high. Second column, 50x. 1,102. 50G data. 50G data. Alright, well, 545. Got the 50G. 50x multiplier. That's 90. Hopefully it's gonna turn around. Yeah, part of the gamble, right? Best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. But yeah, about working out. What's your favorite exercise? Bench press, maybe? Do you like bench press? 2430, 100x 24. Get the biggest number, 36 red, 30 column, 30 dozen, this section. So shout out to the winners. 1,263. As well, odd limits, 11, 4 black, 25 red, 33, 15 black. So mostly cold, mostly, yeah, black numbers hot, cold numbers red. If that makes any difference in your betting as well, doesn't matter that it's cold or cold, it still might be the winning number. Those are statistics about the last 500 rounds. Okay, take that in the notice. Alright, 10, 18, 29, 100x, 18, 29. Number 4, black even low, first going, first dozen. 1,048 winners. Congratulations, in advance. Oh man. Woods, EB and Naruto. Hey, Naruto, good to see you again in goodbye. Alright, Noah. Hello, Noah. Good to see you, man. How's your day, Noah? All good? Let's play some more, ladies and gentlemen. Betting time is over, so if you didn't make it, consider maybe autoplay button or repeat button. There's actually a favorite bet option as well. You can make your favorite bets and simply just click on favorite bet option and go for those. 6, 9, 30. 100x, 6 and 30. 14. Red even low second dozen second column. 14 red. Alright, well, GG, 1,319 successful winners. What again? New betting time. Okay, what do we do, guys? How do we summon the lights? Which of the numbers? This one, 20, 17, 14, all of them shaken. All of them once. Everybody wants a lightning on every of these numbers. All of them shaken. Literally every single one of them. Wow. Good luck. I don't think there was a steady number at all. A 0 and 100x. Alright, let's go. Landing on the other side though, 23 reds. Second dozen, second column. 1,301. Anytime, ladies and gentlemen. Any questions about the game? Ask away, I'll explain. Top of the screen information button, read about it. Yeah, back to the gym, back to the working out. I think my favorite workout mode is either pull-ups or bench press. I used to not like bench press because I was not able to do it much, but it's better. It's getting better now. That's what you guys so, enjoying that. 7, 14, 21 from the dice on 14. We got 15 black as the winning number, third column, and second dozen. 1,150 dollars. So bench press with that. I mean, abs, you know, very important as well. But one day I did so much abs, the next day my back is hurting. So gotta be careful with that. Or gotta train your back first and then abs. But it's a very, very fine line of getting an injury and fine. 7, 12, 15, 115 and 12, good luck.
Yeah.
Nice. We got 150x on the lights, even low number 1,126 winners, 150x for 546 of new champions. MK Westy, nobody understands what you're saying. Say it as it how it is. Say that word. It doesn't matter. Are you scared of saying it? What's the point of saying it if you're scared of saying it fully? Maybe there's a reason why you're scared of saying it. So what's the point of saying it, man? Alright, let's go with an 8 and 18. 100x and 18, 208. No, I was talking to myself. 19 red, high number, second dozen, high number, 1,187. That's good job, players, well done. The betting time is over, let's proceed with another one. Now, hot numbers are all black. 11, 4, 15, 33, and 20. Cold, 120, 127, 30, 34. If that makes any difference. Not a betting grade. So, seems like third column has the most money, biggest traded bet combos. Best of luck, new game. All I'm saying is use the full words, man. I don't understand what you're saying. 22, 30. Both with the 50. 24 black. I need a number 30 column. Yeah, 30 column second. That's another 35 minutes. Well done. By the way, look at that. Time is rushing by very fast. We don't even have 5 minutes left in session, I believe. Even less than that. So, if you want to give a chance finally playing with me, last game's last minutes to do so until I'm back again. I don't know. How much time did pass by since I last? Like, hour and a half, something like that? 29:32, but with the 50. It's all right. 30 column second doesn't low and even number. Thank you for playing with it. And it is 2085 wins. Better. So, ladies and gentlemen, as well, daily question that I have to ask: what did you have for dinner today? What did you eat today, ladies and gentlemen? I had my dinner finally. Had chicken curry sauce with what was it called? Buckwheat? Buckwheat was it? Yeah, it was really tasty. 9:21:36. 100x9. It's a 4 black, even though first going first doesn't. Did anyone have a burger for the dinner? Maybe some nice junk food. 2068 as well. Yeah, lately when I had a vacation, I was eating so many burgers and pizzas. Now I'm kind of putting it to the pause. A little bit on the pause. Now I wouldn't say it's much healthier, but a different kind of food for sure. Let's play some more. Actually, one of my New Year resolutions 2023 is to learn how to be a better cook, how to make even better food. That is my New Year resolution. 3 and 14. 100x. Third column, third dozen, 30 is the winning number. 1,083 winners. Well done, be a shark. Well done, Woods, Anu, and JJ. Enjoy the money and see you all in the next round. Place your bets. Yes, you can cover all the numbers on the wheel as well. In that case, you will never miss out on anything, right? You can cover all the reds, all the black numbers. Right now, black numbers are the hardest ones, so maybe you gotta go for those. Just be smart, okay? Just game the fast. Simply 7, 13, 15, 100x, 7, 13. Good luck. And it is 8. Black. This action, 1,071 winners. Winner, why are you shocked about Noah? Noah is doing his job. Why so surprised over that? By the way, last couple of games, are you ready to play? Well, a better time, ladies and gentlemen. Come to the game. No more bets. Okay, so only one thing left for the winning number. The Lightning. Here they are. 12, 19, 34 all red, 100x, 1934. Good luck. Number 4, everybody. Low. First on hot. How's 44 around? Let's enjoy the money. That was our session, everybody. It's taken over, so I'm saying bye-bye.
Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Shelby, I'm your host for the next session. How's it going? Hey. No more bets? Good luck! Let's see those sweet lightning numbers. Okay, here we go. It's 15 and 29. 29 with 150x. 17 black. 17 black is the lucky number. It is low from the order line section. Congratulations to the winners, especially BSR, Shibax, and Rywoods. Good job. If you'd like to play again, now's the time to place your new bets. Counter has begun. Choose your lucky number from the wheel, or mix and match with outside bets, for example. Betting time's over. Good luck, everybody. Ba-dum-bum-bum, lightning time. 2 lightning numbers this time, 13 and 24, 24 with 100x. Excuse me. Lucky number is 6 black, 6 black is low, from the offline section. Congratulations to the winners. Well done. If you'd like to play again, please place your new bets. Countdown has begun. Newcomers, say hi, hello. By the way, also don't forget that autoplay is an option that you can take advantage of. Might save some time, might save some effort. And I know I could use more of those. No more bets. Good luck, everybody. Bang, bang, bang. 7, 22, and 36. 36 and 22 with sweet 300x.
Yeah.
22 black with 300x, baby. 22 is even and high. Congratulations to the winners. Display 468 multiplier.
हेलो गाइस, आप लोग को भी अच्छा खासा पैसा कमाना है तो आपको कमेंट में मेरा टेलीग्राम का चैनल लिंक दे रहा हूँ। ये गेम का एवरीडे प्रेडिक्शंस मिलेगी आपको। चैनल की लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, कमेंट बॉक्स में, ठीक है। जल्दी से जल्दी जाकर ज्वाइन करो, मेरे साथ अच्छा खासा पैसा कमाओ भाई, ठीक है। आई लव यू।